I don't believe that it should be just for men. As women age, we also lose hair, and I don't see why women wouldn't benefit from these types of procedures, from the hair transplant procedure. I just have had my hair transplant. This is the morning after, and I feel really good. And now I'm going to do my OxyCure treatment. Hello, my name is Michelle Blais. I'm a lawyer from Ottawa, Canada. In my job, my physical appearance is very important. It's important for me to look professional for my clients and for the court. This is why I chose to come and have a hair transplant. Overall, I would say my experience was very positive, from being picked up at the airport, even transportation from the hotel. Everything was very professional and well organized. The hair transplant procedure itself was not painful at all. I didn't feel anything, especially after the OxyCure treatment, where we're given oxygen to breathe in. My head feels very clear. I feel really good. And I was a little bit worried about the hair washing part, just because of the transplant, but it didn't hurt at all. It was actually very nice. I'm very happy. I don't understand why it would be just limited to men. I have to say that one of the reasons that I came here to the clinic was that I heard of a very positive experience of a woman who came here to the Vera Clinic and had beautiful results. And so I was inspired by that. I always find if you're dressed well, you look good, you're always more confident. And so for me, the appearance is important. The basic start in my profession to project that confidence is so important. More hair is very helpful. I am very hopeful that the results will match my experience. I would encourage them to try this alternative. For sure, when we go on the websites, it's mostly men that we see. So I think more women need to come forward to encourage other women to do this type of thing, which, I'm hopeful will be very positive. But I think it's also advertising, and I understand that a lot of women don't want to have their pictures put on the website because they're embarrassed or for whatever reason, but I really think it's important to reach out to more women, to try and advertise to women. I think that would be very important for the clinic to do, because it's true, it's all men on the website, and so you need to maybe do more marketing in terms of attracting more women, because I think a lot of women could use this type of procedure for sure. When I think of some of my friends, we all experience hair loss. From my heart, thank you very much, Vera Clinic, for taking such good care of me. I'm very happy.